What's up, guys? Welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I've got you a free, we can say AI app that I'm sure is the one that you're looking for, right? So open App Store, right? And then type, okay, write down, okay, Genius, okay, sorry, Genius AI, all right? Okay, now search for it, okay? Scroll down, okay, until you find this, okay? So here it is. So Genius AI chatbot assistant now is free, right? I mean, with all the features, okay, available, right? I mean, we can say the full version, okay, of it, but for a limited period of time, okay? So hurry up, guys. Why is this one? Why I'm telling you to download this one, okay? Actually, because it's powered by ChatGPT API and ChatGPT, we can say GPT, sorry, right? For okay, but it offers okay ChatGPT and Cloud as well, okay, because some of the we can say AI apps users right believe that Cloud is better than ChatGPT for writing tools, okay. So let's download it, okay. I'll show you how to get it, get the free version of it, okay, which is like limited for a period of time, okay. So it's being downloaded right now, okay. So let's wait until it finishes, okay, downloading. All right. Okay, so let's open it, right? I'll show you how to, okay, do the rest, okay? So continue, right? Okay, just tap on continue, okay? So here, right, I'll have more than one option, okay? So as you can see, guys, right, so, okay. So if I tap on, right, this option, okay, which says 3-day free trial, okay, I have to pay $5 for, like per week, okay? But, right, just under that one, right, the app has gone free, okay? So lifetime, so it's lifetime, okay, $0, okay? So just tap on that one and claim now, okay? So let's see, right? Okay, so get it, right? I have to use the password, okay, now for my Apple, Apple account, okay? Okay. Here we go. Now sign in. All right, and let's see. Okay, done. All right, the purchase must be successful. You've already purchased this. Okay, yeah. Would you like to get it again for free? I'll say just okay, guys. But it says you're all set, okay, because I've just done that before, right? But I just forgot to let you know about this, okay? So I'm downloading it again, okay, just to show you, okay, how to download it, guys. Otherwise, I've done it before, okay? So your purchase was successful. So hurry up, all right, guys? So it's late. February 2025, okay. Share with your friends as soon as possible, all right, with those who you think that they are like in need of such we can say AI app or tool, okay. So as you can see, guys, it's really cool here, all right. So it's GPT-4o available here, right, as you can see, guys, right, and Cloud available here, right, Gemini, right, for a mini, Llama, and even the DeepSeek, okay. So I believe that you'll get like many benefits from this one, guys. And at the end, don't forget to use it for good, all right, guys, and share with your friends if you think they are like interested in such content. And see you next time, and please, right, consider subscribing the channel for the more content like this one. See you next time. Bye bye.